Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to unbox the Jabra Elite 65T. Now these are true wireless earbuds. Now before I bought this, I actually compared a lot of true wireless earbuds, and then finally I bought this. I'll tell you the reason later on, and what is good in this. Different from the other ones. So let's go ahead and see the box first. So it says for microphone, enhanced sound, customize your music, proven wireless connection. So that's the way it should be. We'll see that later on when we open it up. So 5 hours of battery life, 15 hours with the carrying case. So it'll work for 5 hours. After that, just put it in the carrying case. It'll charge for 5 hours again, and so on. So 2 years dust and water resistant warranty. There's an exclamation on it, so we'll read that later on. Voice assistant enabled, so that's your Google, Siri and your Alexa supported. For microphone and customize them. Okay, that's all the same. One more thing, the price on this is 12,999. I don't know if it's cheaper online. I'll see that later on, but that's the price on it, and that's the price I had to pay. There was no difference in it. So this is one of the few devices that I actually paid MRP for. So let's see, hopefully this proves to be good. Superior sound for 145 years. Okay, no, that's not this earphone, that's they are talking about Jabra. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. Let's get the trusty unbox knife. Okay, oh, nice packaging. Okay, comes out from here. Okay, so nothing inside, but pretty strong hard cardboard. Keep that there. Okay, so that's how it's presented. Welcome to Superior Sound. Thank you for welcoming me. Okay, keep this aside. Oh, it's actually that small. Okay, looking at the picture, it looked like this is going to be very big, but it's not that big. Okay, so that's the carrying case. It's not that big. Keep that aside. Oops again. Now that is the earphone itself. Okay, so that's the earphone. One, and okay, they don't make it easy to take it out though. Okay, that was easier. Okay, so these are the earphones. They're not that big. Hopefully they fit fine. Keep that aside. Okay, so you get a get started guide, you get a micro USB cable. Okay, I just hope now we start getting Type-C ones. Okay, so these are the earbuds. So you have, let me see. Okay, so you have the medium one connected in. So there's the small, medium and a large. So you get 3 sets. Keep that aside too. Oh, that's it. So nothing else. So that's all that you get with this. Let's keep this aside. Okay, let's look at the carrying case itself. It's pretty sleek. Let's open it up. Okay. Okay, so that's how it is. Let me try putting the earbud in. I don't think there's any juice in it. Oh, there is. Okay, so it started charging. Okay, so now I'll have to actually use it to know how it works. I'll have to pair it. Maybe I'll have to install a software. So let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll see you later on. Okay, so you've seen the unboxing. Now I have been testing this for 2 days, so that I can give you an overview of this. So I've been testing all the features. So basically, this is the earphone. The right side earphone is the one which connects to your phone. Now the right side is then connected with your left side. So you cannot use the left side standalone. You can use the right side one standalone. You can just remove this, put it in the case or whatever.
That's it. Now, one thing, if it goes more than 8 meters away, it stops working. So the left one will stop working. I have had a little bit of problem where the left one in between just cuts off, but not cuts off completely. There's a slight lag and then comes back. So those kind of things have been happening. Now I'll be testing it more late to see how it's going to be. I'll be testing it in the gym to see how much of a range issue will I get, because if the right one is the one which is connecting, then you have that side bias thing which goes on with a lot of earphones. I'll explain that later on. So a lot of testing that has to be done. So all in all, excellent earphone. I really like the sound quality. I don't really like the equalizer that they provide with this, because there's not much of option available there. But I like the sound quality of it. It's got a rich bass. It's not a bass head earphone, so because anyways, it's a Bluetooth earphone, compact, and doesn't really have that much of space to create that kind of low end bass, but the bass is good enough. The sound quality is for purists, very nice sound quality with a little bit of bass pumped into it. So heavy bass, little towards the heavy side, not low end bass, but little towards the heavy side. So I really like the sound. The comfort is very nice. I don't really feel any uh, discomfort in this. It doesn't really pain. So I'm really happy with this. Now, if you want to buy this, I will really recommend it. I have been comparing it between the Sony one, this one, and which else? The Bose one and Icon X, Samsung Icon X one. But out of all of them, I like this one the best, mainly because it has focused on both, I mean, all of the things, the form factor, the sound quality, music, and the phone call sound quality. So that's why I would recommend this. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.